I've just come back from overseas and I've been teaching multiplication tables literally in a few minutes. Imagine if you could just do all your times table, your 6 times table, 7 times table, 8 and 9, literally in a few minutes. As you know, we all spent like a year at school, in primary school, to learn by rote like a robot our 3 times table and 4 times table, and in fact a lot of us didn't even get it. We just shut down and hated numbers. But imagine if there was just like another way, a more fun way, how to learn a year of timetables literally in 2 minutes. So I'm just going to show you. It's called Magic Fingers. It does have another name called Handy Maths because we're going to do this on our hands. But also, interestingly, is that we're doing it on our digits, which is the origin of the word for number. The word digit meant finger in Latin. So the teacher said to you, what's 8 times 7? So what we're going to do is we're going to give each finger a number. We're going to give this finger the number 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we have to do that with the other finger. We're going to give this finger a number 6, 7, 8, 9. In the classes I've just done overseas, normally we would actually write, we used to get a texter, but some of the texters are toxic, so we won't use these toxic chemical pencils, but you would write 6, 7, 8, 9 on the pad of your finger. But we don't need to write 10 because we all know our 10 times table. This is about learning our 6 times, 7 times, 8 times and 9 times table. So when the teacher says, Billy, what's 8 times 7? What we need to do is we look at the left hand and we say, where's the 8? So we go 6, 7, 8. We go 6, 7, 8. So there's the 8 and you give it a little wriggle. And then on the other hand we say, where's the 7? So we go 6, 7 and we give that a wriggle. Now that we've identified the 8 and the 7, we just join them. I'm actually looking at the answer now. I'm looking at the palm of my hands here. I can see the answer in 1 second because it's just a pattern. The solution is to say that everything that is joined and below is worth 10 points. That means this finger and that finger joined and all the ones below are worth 10 points, and there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's worth 50 points. We've already got our answer. 8 times 7 is 50 something. The other part of the answer is got to do with the excesses. Look, we've got 2 that remains here and we have 3 that remains here. These are excesses. So the logical question is, do we add the 2 and the 3 or do we multiply the 2 and the 3? We already know what the answer is, 8 times 7, but we know that we're going to have to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. So we tag on the 6 to the 50 and we get 56. So 8 times 7. So straight away in 1 second we go 8 times 7 is, there's the 8, 7, 50 here and 6 above, 56. How's that? Just in like 1 minute you literally have compressed a whole year of rigorous rote learning times table literally into something that's visual and tactile and fun.